Hey everybody, it's Music Therapy Laz here on a Hump Day Wednesday. Normally we would be doing Hump Day live stream with Roxy in the early evening, but that will not be happening tonight. Unfortunately, my laptop is just not cutting it anymore with the live streams, and waiting to get a computer in here so I can do that. Hopefully as soon as the end of this week. Possibly we'll be able to do a Sunday live stream, but we'll see how that happens. I'll have to get things set up. So I thought I'd do a quick little Hump Day Wednesday video in the morning for you guys. Got my guitars on the wall, but one is missing. Where'd it go? Oh yeah, it's right here. Got my grungy clothes on today. I'm going to be doing some work on the property. Yes, indeed, that's my Blacktop Stratocaster there. I hope this video is showing it because I can't see the screen. I think it's showing it. Yep, I got things set up over here ready to go. I'm not going to be doing this today. I'm not going to have time tonight. I'm actually helping out my dentist friend with some work in his office in the evening. I'm going to be installing a special shield for the workers there. And if you notice here, I've got a SwitchLock. That's right, the SwitchLock. Ready to go. I think it's going to look brilliantly right here, right? SwitchLock is going to go right there where the switch is. Super simple to install these things, so I might even do a video of that. But this guitar, as you can see, it's fairly grungy. Definitely needs a look at that. That pickguard needs a leveling, right? Definitely needs a little cleaning up. The frets are not all that shiny, and I'm gonna go through this thing and do a proper fret job on it as well. Just level out any high frets and just, you know, give it a nice polish. But I really love this guitar. The only thing I changed about this thing really is I changed the string tree to a T-style tree there. Kept the original faux plastic bone nut. You know, it's not a real bone nut, plastic nut. Haven't had any issues with it. I've got some of that Big Ben's nut sauce in there, as you can tell. But I've got locking tuners on it, staggered. I don't know if you can see that. Staggered locking tuners. And even with the staggered ones, the tree was needed. I found out. I tried without and it didn't work. Got, you know, strap locks on it. But yeah, the SwitchLock, that's a great little thing to get, people. If you don't have one, you can use it or not use it when it's on there, and it won't bother you one bit. But when you want to lock that switch into a position, say like the second position, which is what I like to use, which sounds odd. I know a lot of people don't use that position. But when I play that, when I'm doing that song challenge by SD, I'm still working on. Oh yeah, check out my guitar sticker there. I think I got that from Henning. I got his guitar. I think it shows it backwards, right? Well, anyway, if it doesn't, because on my screen it shows it backwards. Yeah, in case of fire, save my guitars. Save me first! But anyway, so I'm going to be doing this probably later this week when I have a chance. Maybe Thursday or Friday night. Listening to some, what do they call it? Lurking in some other people's chats. And working on this, or maybe not. Maybe I'll just record the work that I'm doing and put that up as a video, since I might not be able to do a Sunday live stream. So I just thought I'd throw this up for whoever might be interested. Yeah, it's been tough lately with the stuff hanging, you know, handling things with my dad. But we're kind of leveling out the situation there as to how we're going to care for, you know, he's going to need hospice care, it looks like, probably going forward. Very sad, I know, but it is what it is, and we're going to do the best we can to be there for him. And thankfully my mother-in-law is, you know, working with us on that, I guess. So, yeah, until next time, y'all, Music Therapy Laz here. Roxy's still sleeping. If you want to see her, I'll show you guys to her. Let's take you out. I'm going to walk you through the place here. Here's Roxy. We're going to wake up Roxy. I don't think you guys have seen me ever waking up Roxy, have you? I'll turn on this light here so you can see her. She's going to be all curled up. Oh, she's already up. Roxy! Good morning, my little Roxy. Good morning, my little baby. Come here. Oh, look at you, so cute. You're such a cute little bird. That's right. Let me give you kisses. Good morning kisses for Roxy. Anyway, getting ready for the day. I got to get out and get things going. But I thought I'd throw up this quick little video for you guys because it's hump day. Got to get over it. All right, later, you guys. See if I can get Roxy on my shoulder here while I tune out. Don't forget, secret of tone is in your mind, but the feel comes from your heart. Put them together like Roxy and rock out. Laters.